Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, this video is a big one, so make sure you watch through to the end. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start converting around $3 million into Bitcoin down here. I'm going to do it in stages, 30% stages. The first stage now, I'm going to make around $400,000 worth of Bitcoin buy spot position and open a long here. And then I'm going to have trades at 19,000 where I'm going to open another $500,000, and then at 13,000 if Bitcoin gets that low. But this spike down last night was very impressive to me. Why? Because we had a big spike and a V-shaped recovery on Bitcoin. One, it went to 20,000, spiked and bounced. Two, altcoins barely moved during this. Ethereum, altcoins after yesterday when Bitcoin was dropping, they were getting demolished. But this drop last night with Bitcoin barely moved Bitcoin. And here is Slavik.
What's up, brother?
And make sure watch through to the end of the video. We're gonna go live on the video as well.
Yes.
What did you do with Bitcoin just now?
I also longed Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's crazy, man. It's crazy times. It's huge opportunities, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Man.
And if we get Bitcoin down here, say it goes down 19K, 13K I think is worst case scenario, if like really it breaks, because from 70K down to 13K, and a lot of people put billions of their life savings, all of Russia, Ukraine, people around the entire world, so I really don't think it goes below that.
Yeah, I mean, it depends also on the S&P fund and what the news. It would be horrible if we go below it. Yeah,
But be prepared that it could. But I'm comfortable buying Bitcoin here. In the long run, I think it's going to be in millions of dollars. So 20K if it goes down to 19K, if it goes down to 13K, if it goes lower than that, I'll keep buying more. But I think a lot of people are starting to think this as well. And that's why we had that big bounce back. Hit the subscribe button. We hit 75,000 people. Smash up, thumbs up button. Watch through to the end. There's a competition that my team is doing for WSOT. And then after this video, jump on live. We're going to go live on the channels. And you can talk to me and Crypto Slavic and watch us live here and ask questions, everything. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Okay, we're going in, and this was me yesterday or 3 days ago calling the drop. All cryptos, all coins, again, not looking good. It's trying to hold on to this support lines. You're seeing it is trying to hold on, but it does look like it's gonna break to the downside. Oh shit. Looks like the whole altcoin market is going to break on the 4-hourly. Also on the 4-hourly turning down. Also on the daily turning down. Look at that on the stochastic and the squeeze mob RSI. You can learn this all in the crypto course. So it looks like we're going to break to the downside across all crypto markets. Not so nice. Bitcoin is going to break it. It's trying to hold on. And that was 3 days ago when I said danger, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all altcoins. So hopefully you followed my video and you listened to this 3 days ago. That's why you follow this channel and Slavik as well. Let's go into the 4-hourly. Last night we had a big spike down on Bitcoin after that big waterfall sell-off. It broke all the supports, 28,000 that channel, 26,500 where I lost the bet to Slavic. All the way down, came very close to my target of that 19,000 and actually touched the 500 SMA that I talked about in that other video yesterday. If you watched my video yesterday, I talked about the 500 simple moving average, and look at it, we touched it, we went actually spiked below it, and every time Bitcoin came to this SMA line, you can see here, it touched it and bounced off it. You can see back here in 2000 and in February 2020, March 2020, during COVID crash, it spiked through and then bounced off and continued the bull run. You can see also in 2019, touched it, spiked, bounced off it, continued the bull run from 3,000. This happens every single time on the moving average. So keep that in mind. We just touched it, bounced off it with a lot of force. Now, I still think we could be going down to 19K. It is very possible. Maybe 13K, a worst case scenario in my opinion, but I'm going to start adding. Stochastic is oversold turning up. So that's where I'm going to start adding Bitcoin. Everything is oversold turning up. So now I'm going to start adding to my positions on Bitcoin, and I'm also going to go long with a very long stop loss. So I'm going to convert. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pin comment, there's a link to ByBit. In here, I've got $184,000, 400. It bounced around $3,000 because I bought a lot of Bitcoin. I've got USDC, BUSD, Bitcoin, and I've got 1.3 Bitcoin in here. But now I'm going to convert 30% of my holdings across the different, I've got different accounts everywhere. And I'm gonna be moving around $1 million into Bitcoin in this video. Make sure you watch through to the end to see everything. And again, the ByBit link down below, you get a $4,800 bonus. My team is also doing a WSOT competition. If you sign up to ByBit and you join our WSOT trading competition, there's $8 million worth of prize pools, 8 million to win. So we got to win this trading competition. It's down there, the link in the description, pin comment. Join us. There's about 15 traders have joined so far since yesterday. And there's about 970 traders. So make sure you join us down below. Let's jump in. Actually, 2,400 traders something. But now I'm going to on ByBit. So I've got in here BUSD 49,000, 74,000 USDC, and 17,000 USDT. So I'm going to convert 30% of this into Bitcoin. So that means in this account 184,000. So I'm going to be making around, what's 30% of 184,000? It's like $50,000. So I've already got Bitcoin 31,000. So I'm going to buy another Bitcoin in here at this current price. So I'm buying one Bitcoin right now at this current price. And I bought one Bitcoin yesterday, if you followed that video, confirm. And I've got also buy orders for Bitcoin at 22,000, 19,000. Oh, that's the buy order for Bitcoin. It's about to fill right now. 22,926. It's like my order is there. You can see that dot. It's about to fill. I've got buy orders for 13,000 and 19,000 as well on Bitcoin. So that order is set. It's about to execute. So I have 2.3 Bitcoin in here. Now let's go over to Binance. In Binance, in this account, I've got $315,000. I've got USDT 109,000, USDC 102,000, 3 Bitcoin. There was trades set yesterday that automatically executed while I was sleeping. So I actually made 1,500 last night with those trades executing. And I've got BUSD 33,000. So that's 315,000. So 30% of that, I'm going to convert around 105,000 into Bitcoin. Right now, I have 68,000. So I need to buy another 2 Bitcoin in here. So I'm going to go now and buy 2 more Bitcoin with this. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy 2 more Bitcoin right now. So BUSD. I'm going to leave these orders for 13,000, 10,000, 13,000, 9,000. And I'm going to buy 2 Bitcoin at the current price. So let's buy 2 Bitcoin here. So I'm buying 1 Bitcoin at this current price. Buy BTC. Confirmed. That Bitcoin is sitting there. Well, Bitcoin is spiking around, so the order is actually not executing because it just bounces. Look, I had the order at 22,904. It's about to execute. 22. Yep, 1 Bitcoin just bought. So that's from 315,000 now. I have 91,000 in Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy 1 more Bitcoin. Let's use USDC. USDT. So let's buy 1 Bitcoin with USDT. At the current price, 1 Bitcoin, buy 22,900, confirm. So now that's another order set. So that's the orders I've got set for Bitcoin. So I've got now 5 Bitcoin in here, 4.99, 114,000 Bitcoin. I've got 86,000 USDT, 10,000 BUSD, and 102,000 USDC. So I'm going to be converting. Actually, I'm going to convert all 300,000 in this account to Bitcoin right now, because then I'm going to move more money across into this account. I'm going to buy $300,000 worth of Bitcoin right now. So I'm converting all of this into Bitcoin. USDC 102, so I'm going to be buying another $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, which is around 5 Bitcoin. Let's see, 4 Bitcoin at the current price. Oh no, 4 Bitcoin. This is live, guys. Like you're seeing me right now, I'm buying this Bitcoin. So I'm going to be buying BTC, another USDT. So I've got 86,000. I'm going to be buying another 4 Bitcoin at the current price. It's a bit more, so 3.3 Bitcoin, and then I got to convert 3 Bitcoin, confirm, order created. I just bought 3 more Bitcoin. So now I have all this USDT. I'm going to be converting in Bitcoin into this account. USDC, so there's 102,000 USDT, 18,000 USDT, BUSD 10,000. So converting the rest of this BUSD into Bitcoin. 100% buy, confirm. Confirm the rest of this USDT. There's 18,000 into Bitcoin at the current price. Confirm. And then I've got 100,000. I think I put this 100,000 at $20 in case Bitcoin pulls back. USDC. let's make it at USDC Bitcoin. Bitcoin USDC. Bitcoin USDC. I don't think USDC is allowed to buy Bitcoin here. USDC. No, I can only convert it to USDT. So, okay, I'm going to convert this all to USDT, 100%. So 102,000, I'm converting it into USDT. Done. And then I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So I've got $211,000 worth of Bitcoin in here. 9.2 Bitcoin. Cool. 9.2 Bitcoin you just saw me buy here. And on this account, I've got 1.3. Did that trade execute? BTC, USD. Yeah, so in this account, I've got now 2.3 Bitcoin. And here I've got 9.2 Bitcoin. And when I convert the remaining USDC into Bitcoin, okay, let's sell this USD. Sell USDC. Confirm. So now I've got USDT. So I've got 102,000 USDT. I'm going to convert that all into Bitcoin. Then I'm going to move another 300,000 over to this account. So I'm going to buy right now another 4.4 Bitcoin at the current price. Ooh. Okay, let's set an order. We'll put an order for 19,000. Then I'll move another $500,000. So buying 4.4 buying 19,000, 100%. 5.3 Bitcoin at 19,000. In case there's a spike down, confirm that order is set. So now I've got in this account, I've got in this account USDT, 102,000 and 9.2 Bitcoin. And I'm going to move other accounts. So in the next video, watch that as well. I'm going to be buying more. And in here, I've got, so I bought a total of, in here, I've got 2.3 plus 9.2. So I bought 11 Bitcoin just now. And I will add more to these trades. And over in here, I'm in Femex, I'm going to open a big trade position as well. I'm going to open an order on Femex, start trading. Bitcoin USD, I'm going to open a long where we're sitting right now. I'm going to go a full long with 3x leverage. I want my liquidation price to be very low. Long Bitcoin, it'll be a 2.2 Bitcoin. No, it'll be a 1 Bitcoin, 0.7 Bitcoin long. Okay, that order is set. The liquidation price is at 17,000. That's a little bit too high. I want to make this liquidation price less. Let's do 2x. Confirm. Okay, 17,000 is this liquidation price for 1 Bitcoin in here. How much do I have in this account? In this account, I have 17,000. So I got to use US dollars. So this trade position was BTC margin. So I need to open a US dollar trade. Contract, BTC USD. And I've got Bitcoin. So I need to do a Bitcoin to Bitcoin trade. Bitcoin USD. Available. Okay, here will be another 33,000 Bitcoin long, but I'll do 2x leverage here. Confirm. Now, everyone, you have to understand that I'm using a small percentage of my money. So so this will be a 22,000 Bitcoin long, order full. So I've got 2 longs on Bitcoin now. Here, I've got a Bitcoin long 1.76 and a $22,000 Bitcoin long. The liquidation price on this one is 11,000. So that's actually a little bit better. So I might close this trade in the profits when it spikes into the profit and open it again with only 2x. I want my liquidation price to be under 13,000. And at 2x, it's at 11,000. At this one, it's above 17,000. So I move more money into this account to make the liquidation. So those are my trades. Now you got to understand what I'm doing here is you need to be careful. Don't go, like right now, you saw a lot of these accounts going all in on Bitcoin, but I'm not, because I'm going to move around $3 million into Bitcoin. So just now I bought around 200,000, around $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I've got another 2.5 million to move into Bitcoin. And I'm going to do that in 3 stages. So I've got another few 100,000 to move into Bitcoin now. I'm going to move another 500, 700,000 in at 19,000, and then I'm gonna have another million something to move into Bitcoin at 13,000 if it gets that low, and I will leave more to add more if it comes down. So you have to understand that I didn't move, like right now you saw me buy a few 100,000, but that's a small percentage of my entire portfolio. That was a lot. Do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. This is what I am doing in the markets with my money. This spike on Bitcoin to me looked like a V-shaped recovery on the 4-hourly, but I'm fully expecting that Bitcoin could theoretically do a huge, it could still come down 13K, 19K, 13K, and I'm prepared for that. So you have to understand this. But that to me looks like a V-shaped recovery. I'm also going to open a long over on ByBit, but a very small leverage long, so 3x. I want to 2x. How much do I have for trading in here? 11,000. So I'm going to open a long on Bitcoin. Open long. So this will be a $22,000 long, one Bitcoin with liquidation price at 11,000. Confirmed. So that's another Bitcoin long I just opened over on ByBit. Well, up $36 since I clicked the button. Cool. Yeah, so those are the trades, everyone. Let's see on Femex. These Femex trades are just slightly down. Yeah, so I just bought a total of around 14 Bitcoin. But again, my target is to buy around 200. What's 3 million divided by 20,000? Average will be 17,000, 3 million. So it's around 200 Bitcoin. So I'm going to be buying 200 Bitcoin, but at now 19,000 and 13,000. Epic video, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, join the links down below to ByBit, to Femex, take the crypto master course so you learn from me. I'm doing all of this from my phone, and join our trading competition team. There's $8 million prize pool. The link to ByBit WSOT trading competition is down in the comments. $8 million prize pool to be won. Let's win it as the Crypto Guru trading team. Thank you all for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru. Slavik, what do you think about all these buys?
Very good. I bought also on dollar cost average, and I think, like you said, it's nothing, in my opinion and your opinion, nothing wrong to buy right now on dollar cost average. So, because even if you go to 15,000, buying on dollar cost average, and this is what you see, by the way, what whales doing. The more the price is going down, the more the whales are buying. This is crazy. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you again
Tomorrow.
in about 5 minutes if you jump on our lives. Tomorrow.